Hey guys, welcome to another baby update. I have Trey here, he's feeding right now. But this is his 1-year-old update. I have been such a slacker with him. It's just been hard, you know, two kids, him at home with me all the time. Bella finally is in like 5 days a week pre-K. So I was like better late than never. He turned 1 August 20th. And then Bella turned 4 September 1st. And now it's like September 4th to 5th, something like that. We just got back from a cabin trip. So I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. And my parents were in town for like 2 weeks for their birthdays. Hi, Babysito. So Trey is active, doing the most. He's like a little tank. He's a good boy. He's definitely like physically met all of his milestones faster than Bella, and that makes sense because he races around after and tries to follow her. Second baby, So let's start with the top. So he has his doctor's appointment coming up in another week. Him and Bella go to doctor's appointments together, which is fantastic. We're back at our old pediatrician here in Atlanta, which I'm so thankful for. We had switched to Kaiser Insurance like a year ago because of my husband's job, and I just didn't love it for us. So we're back at our old pediatrician, who I do love. So he'll get his 1-year-old vaccines and all that. I think he weighs around 20 something pounds. He definitely feels solid. He's been doing well health-wise. He has a little bit of congestion because I have a sinus infection and I got sick. So every time I get sick, I pass it to him. And I got sick because Bella, when she went back to preschool this year, she picked up a little sniffle and then I picked it up. And mine is the worst though, because I'm just always a low immune system kind of person. So besides that, he's been doing good. Eating, he pretty much eats whatever Bella eats or drinks whatever Bella drinks. I just cut things up a little smaller because, he still can joke. He has about 8 teeth, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. He loves pizza and french fries. Those are probably his favorite foods. And he loves blueberries. He loves most fruit. He's not as picky as Bella, but at this age, I think they're not. So, I'm trying to wean him off the boob. I haven't done anything crazy to do that, but now that he's a year old, I'm trying to figure out how to do it. All of Adrian's family and my family are like, oh, he needs to stop breastfeeding now that he's 1, which I understand. Like, technically, like, he doesn't have to, but the American Academy of Pediatrics actually said that they recommend breastfeeding till 2, which is interesting. I'm not trying to go that long, but I'm not trying to, like, cold turkey stop it. So I'm trying to figure that out. I gave him whole milk for the first time today in a sippy cup, and he seemed to like it. And I think that's my idea, is that I want to give him more like whole milk instead of like breastfed. But he's like a on-demand breastfed baby. He's with me pretty much all day unless I have to go into work for appointments, which is not that often. Like, I'm with him like 85% of the time. So he breastfeeds on demand. He loves his mommy's boobs. He's definitely a hungry boy. He's definitely a breast man. So completely different than Bella, who was bottle fed from 4 months on. So we're gonna figure that out. I just completely stopped pumping a couple months ago. So I used to use the Willow, but I figured, I was like, let me just stop that because I'm not trying to necessarily keep up my breast supply. I think he mainly breastfeeds because it's like a comfort thing. So that's that. In terms of sleeping, he sleeps with me in my bed. I tried doing the crib thing, but when we kept getting sick and COVID, he ended up just sleeping with me. So Bella sleeps in her room. This is her room right now. Her bed's over there. And what happens is I'm in the room next to her. So she starts sleeping in her bed. At some point in the morning, it'll be me, her, and him in the same bed. And Adrian still works nights, so he kind of usually comes in late and then falls asleep on the couch. But we're trying to figure out how to, because he's not working as many nights as usual, trying to figure out that situation of how to like normalize our life. You know what I mean? Because he's an extreme snorer on top of it, so he doesn't want to wake up the kids. But I want to sleep with my husband in the same bed too, so we're trying to figure that out. Trey is over here, like getting into everything. He's walking really well. There he goes. He started walking before his first birthday, which was great because that was our goal. That was what Bella did. So he was able to walk at his birthday party. So speaking of birthday parties, him and Bella had the cutest joint birthday, which was a Mickey and Minnie party. And I have some clips that I'm going to insert. Welcome to our birthday vlog. Today is Monday, and Arabella and Trey's birthday is on Sunday. So I thought I would vlog the experience. I am, Bella's in pre-K right now, so I'm home with the baby, and I'm doing some crafts right now, and we have a Mickey and Minnie themed birthday party. So everything is like Mickey and Minnie, red, white, black for Trey, red, black, white, yellow, and then for Bella it's more like hot pink or bright pink, white, and black. So right now I am working on, I made these little name tags for the goodie bags. So my aunt purchased these little boxes, and we have these like custom stickers that she bought, and we're gonna place them on here and then put the name tag on the back. So we have red, black for the boys, and then pink and white for the girls, unless the boys and girls want a different color. I feel kind of weird like doing this gender stereotyping, because maybe the girl wants the red box, not the pink box, but they can get whatever box they want. I'm gonna make extra. So we have a party at this place called Hippo Hop. I went there with Bella, I checked it out. It's just like a big warehouse where they put a whole bunch of bounce houses and like kind of like rock walls and stuff like that for like kind of young kids. So we're doing a joint party. Bella's birthday is September 1st. The baby's birthday, Trey, is August 20th. So it's close enough where I feel like we can get away with it, especially at a young age. So my parents are coming in town, my brother is coming into town, Adrian's family is coming into town, and he has a ton of family here. So it's gonna be like 12 kids, and a lot of adults. So I'm gonna kind of show you some of the crafts that I'll be working on along the way, in case you wanna use this idea, or if you just wanna see what's up with the kiddos. So I'm gonna do this until he starts to complain. He's eating his breakfast right now. Look at his shirt. It says, "Made in America with Filipino parts." That's what it says. Yeah. So Bella's in pre-K right now, so I'm gonna try to do a couple of things today, because it's the week of the party. I'm gonna go to Publix and try to get her a cake. We're gonna do like a smash cake for the boy, which I'm thinking of making on my own. A Minnie Mouse cake for Bella, and then cupcakes for most of the people, because it's safer to do cupcakes with COVID. And then here, do you see this huge pile of stuff? That's all party stuff that I just threw in the corner. I think it's gonna turn out really well, and I'm keeping it cute but simple, because I like not over stressing parties. So let me get to work on this and I'll show you around as I get things done. Okay, here's the next project. These are Capri Sun labels. So I got this free printable. You just basically Google, you know, whatever your birthday party is, free printable, and you'll find things all over the internet, you know, a lot of mommy bloggers, Pinterest. So these are like Mickey, Minnie, Daisy, Donald printables. You cut them out, and they recommended that you buy this glossy brochure paper, as well as like one of these glue pens, in order to quickly and easily stick them on the Capri Suns. And the glossy looks better than regular paper. So I ordered that on Amazon, and I have a printer, and I just print everything out. So that's what I'm working on right now. Project number 2, we're making some Minnie and Mickey cookie favors. So you get 1 double stuffed Oreo. I found this recipe on YouTube. And 2 minis for the ears. We have some melting chocolate. I have pink and red. This is from Walmart. Pretty much everything is from Walmart. Wilton candy melts. They're like $3 or $4 per pack. I have wax paper because I'm going to dip this in chocolate. And then I also have like these mini bows that I got from Michael's, as well as these sugar pearls from Walmart, which are going to be like the Mickey buttons and the mini bows. And then this is decorating icing in white to adhere the ears, the little ears to the big ears. I want to get like half of the Oreo. The Oreo is separating a little bit. I'm gonna have to have my aunt come over and help me because she's better at this than I am. I'm just laughing because it's just a hot mess. Much better system going. Auntie Janice is dipping the Oreos in the fondue pot. We had to buy more melting chocolate, and my easy job is just putting on the dots and the bows. Looking good. Almost done. We just have to just kind of clean up. We don't have a space, so we might want to put them on the cart. So, almost done sitting up. The kids are playing. This is the room, so I'll show you. This is like the Mickey side with Trey's stuff. And then this is the mini side.
Was there another cup for another cup?
No, if you don't have enough, don't put it in. Because I really don't think, I think honestly, we don't need spoons. We just need forks. Yeah, you don't need them probably, maybe a few, maybe a few. Yeah?
Put this on the table so Mommy said you can have it. Where did I put the...
Oh no, I found this printable downloadable from a mommy blog, and then you just print it on glossy photo brochure paper, and then I added Bella, and then I glued it. It's a chip in it, so you just glue it over the chip bag.
It's a party, it's a party, it's a party.
Your finger. Oh yeah, girl. Thank you, girl.
So we thought it would be a cute idea to do it together because their birthdays are only like 11 days apart. And they're so young that they don't really care if they share a birthday, and it saves me money. So we did a big celebration at like a jump place, like a kids jump house place. And brought our decorations and everything, and everybody had a good time. I like doing it at the kids' places because it's quick and easier. And they got a whole bunch of presents, so I'm trying to like only keep a few presents out, and then I put the rest in the closet. And that's a tip that my cousin, Adrian's cousin, gave me for her kid, is just like they don't need all of those toys. So I just kind of like bring them down, okay, like over time, so it's like they have something new to play with, and it saves me money too. So yeah, he's been playing. He plays with all of Bella's toys. Like he's still at that age where he puts everything in his mouth, where he enjoys wrapping paper and boxes more than actual toys. So I'm gonna try to work on getting him to do a little bit more like developmental play as he's like older and understands more. He's currently saying "Mama, Dada," and sometimes like baby talk. So you know, his hair is growing like super fast. Like everybody's like, give him a haircut, but I'm like, no, I want him to have long, beautiful curly hair. At least like a little fro. And then we'll see about cutting it. So his hair is very similar to Bella's. Like it's straight right now in the shorter areas and curly in the longer areas, but it's not a tight curl, it's a loose curl. I actually just use the same products I use on Bella. Like right now what I do is I spray his hair with like a mix of leave-in conditioner, water, and like curl refresh spray to wet it, and then I do this Mix Tricks curl sculptor that I got at like Burlington randomly when I was in Florida, Burlington Coat Factory. So that works on his hair because it's pretty long and irregularly long in certain places. Like see, like right here it's really long, at the top it's super long, but at the front it's short. So the curl cream kind of makes everything more uniform, and it doesn't look as messy. Hi, big boy. Yes, he's still a very smiley, laughy baby, but he's definitely a clingy mama's boy. So we're trying to work on getting him to be more social with other people, but this is for sure, you know, clingy phase. Now that he's older, I'm hoping like my aunts and my, ooh, he just knocked down the tripod. Mommy caught it. I'm hoping that they'll start taking him so that way he can like get used to not being around me. He's comfortable like around my parents and stuff, but not necessarily all the family bonds. Why do you keep picking that up? Why do you keep picking that up? That's not a toy. So he's definitely like getting at that point now where he's starting to complain. Like when he wants something, he'll cry, and then he'll stop immediately when you give it to him. So it's time to start enforcing some discipline, you know, as much as you can. Like they only understand so much at this age. So he's doing really well. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update so you guys know that he's doing great, and we didn't forget about you guys. Can you say hi? Say hi. His favorite song is Wheels on the Bus. And if you're happy, you know it, clap your hands. And he loves Coke Melon. Yeah, he loves anything singing in canto. So Bella and him get along really well. You know, they're cute together. Hi. What are you waving at? Hi. He can kind of do the moves from Wheels on the Bus. And if you're happy, you know it, clap your hands. So we're like working on all those little coordination things. Yes. Yes, so we're starting to try to work on picking up a spoon, trying to drink from, not drinking bottles anymore, drinking sippy cups, straws, stuff like that. Yes. So that's it for now. I had to pick up Bella from preschool soon, so I just want to give you guys a quick update, and we'll see you guys next time. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.